Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, and in today's video I have my update for the Korean skincare haul that I posted about a month ago. If you haven't seen that haul and would like to see what I got, and as well as like little texture shots, click the link up above and it'll also be linked down below. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the Boscia Charcoal Makeup Melter Cleansing Oil Balm. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Looks like this on the inside. As you can see, she is not well loved because she smells terrible. In the haul video, I was asking you guys and telling you guys about the smell, and you know, I got mine from TJ Maxx. And so I was like, okay, maybe it was expired or bad or something like that. So I went into Sephora to smell it. It smells the exact same. So this, it's very thick and like greasy. I'm trying to think of something to compare it to. It's not like Vaseline, because Vaseline like goes on kind of smooth. This like tugs at your skin, like it's sticky and thick and smells terrible, and it's going in the trash. Okay, next I have the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. Now I know it doesn't look like much has been used, but a little bit of this goes a long way. I mainly use this for my face makeup. I don't really like to use this on my eyes. I don't really want to use like oils and things like that on my eyes. I just use a makeup wipe, and the makeup wipes that I'm using right now are the Simple in the green pack, the little Simple makeup remover wipes. So this is really good for removing face makeup. It gets rid of your like eyebrows and eyeshadow, but as far as mascara, I just prefer to use a wipe. I just feel really weird like going like this to my eyelashes. This, unlike the Boscia, has a very pleasant smell. It's an oil, like you see, it's very liquidy, runny, and because of that, the only thing I have to say about this is it is messy. But it does come with this little stopper here so that you can't pump, like if you travel with it, so that you can't pump with it and it get everywhere. But I really enjoy it. It melts your makeup off. After I use the Face Shop Rice Cleansing Oil, I follow it up with the CosRx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser. Looks like this. Everybody and their mom has tried this cleanser. It has a nice pleasant smell. It's not a very noticeable smell. It's just pleasant whenever you're washing your face. And if I'm wearing makeup that day, I use it with my Vanity Planet spin brush. And then if I'm not wearing makeup, like in the mornings, I just use my hands. And I use this morning and night. I really enjoy this cleanser. There's a lot in there for $11, so it should take you a while for you to use it up. Yeah, that's it for the cleanser. The next step, I take the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. Looks like this. It's also like very liquidy, but it's not watery. Now this I will kind of like, it's sort of like, I don't know how to explain it. It's in between water and a gel, but it's very lightweight. It has a really pleasant smell. The Face Shop's products have a really fresh smelling scents to their products. As far as this being a toner, it doesn't give me as strong of a tone as something, say, like a witch hazel or something like that. It's a very light toner, and it's more for moisturization. Now, this is the first one other than the Boscia that I probably won't pick up again, just because I want to try a different toner. But as far as the cleanser, that cleanser is bomb. It gets rid of all the leftover makeup. Beautiful. Now this is just, it's nice, and it gives me a nice moisturized feeling. It sinks into the skin well. Now this right here for my moisturizer, this Muji moisturizing milk, I'm all the way down here because I use this religiously. So this is hands down the best moisturizer I have ever used in my entire life. This, let me show you. Okay, so it has, this is really light white texture to it, and then it just, look how it leaves the skin. It looks like water. It just gives such a beautiful glow to the skin after you've used it all over. A little bit of this goes a long way as well, which is why I kind of can't believe that I'm all the way down here. Whenever I run out of this, I will go and get the big one. This I really like to use underneath my makeup, especially if I'm going to be wearing more of a natural finish foundation or a matte foundation for whatever reason. I really do like to use this as my moisturizer underneath all of that. And this really doesn't have a scent. Yeah, this really doesn't have a scent. Just a very faint, fresh scent to it. It says high moisture on the bottle, and it's right. It is very high moisture. If you have dry skin, and I mean like Sahara Desert dry skin, you will love this. Oily skin, probably not. This is super hydrating. If you have tried the Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer, you will know what I mean. This is like that times 10. So good. I really enjoyed this. This was my favorite find out of everything that I bought. Also in that video, I talked about the Derma Ease Sensitive Skin Moisturizing Cream. This isn't Korean skincare or anything like that, but I did get it in the haul and I did talk about it. So this has a very it has a smell, but I can't really pinpoint it. It's not that it smells bad or anything. It smells like ointment, like maybe like hydrocortisone cream or like Benadryl or something like that. It smells like one of those creams, and I don't really like this. I don't really feel like it does much for my skin. It goes on and kind of fades away, which is probably why I can't find this anywhere. I looked on Ulta and just different sites online, and I can't find this anywhere. So I'm assuming that they pulled them all and sent them to all the TJ Maxx's and Marshalls and stuff like that. But yeah, this, I mean, I probably couldn't repurchase it even if I wanted to, but I still have quite a bit in the jar. For this to be a cream, and for it to say moisturizing at that, this to me would be better suited for those of you with combination skin, maybe oily. It just doesn't do enough. It doesn't give me enough, okay? And then finally, for the face mask, I got the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Color Clay Mask in the blue tube, which is hydrating. Okay, this is not hydrating at all. First of all, if it's a clay mask, how can it really be hydrating? If a mask like dries down on the face, I don't think it's gonna be hydrating. So this is not what I expected. It's not hydrating at all. What I like about it is it dries really fast, 5 to 10 minutes, dries down really fast. It doesn't dry my skin out, but it doesn't add moisture. But like I was saying, it dries down really fast. It rinses away really easily, has a pretty blue color. Not much of a scent to it, very lightly fragranced. Only thing it really did for my skin was make it soft and smooth, which is good things, yeah, but I was expecting hydration. I have dry skin, I need hydration. So this did not really give me that. I am gonna finish it. I do like it. Again, it's like the Rice Ceramide toner. It's okay. I'm not gonna repurchase it, but it's okay. Okay guys, so that is everything that I've tested out over a month. My skin overall is pretty clear. I do have a bit of dark spots, which none of these products are really geared for dark spots, so I couldn't really test that. So if you guys have any more suggestions for some Korean skincare or beauty, just leave those comments down below. I would love to test out some of your recommendations, or if you guys have some favorites, let me know what you would like for me to test out. Okay guys, so that completes today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.